Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Franklin. In today's video, I would like to make you a tour of my 2020 home office setup. Maybe you can find some ideas to create your own space. If you're interested in something you see in this video, I will put all the links in the description down below. I work as a full-time project manager in the glass and glazing industry, so I spend most of my time coordinating tasks and managing different teams. So I wanted to create a space that allows me to focus and keeps me motivated every day. My first step was to decide where to locate that spot, in which from now on I need to be focused and comfortable for several hours on my daily basis. Since I live in a small apartment, my options were very limited, so I decided to use the east wall of my living room to take advantage of the available natural light sources. The next stage was to select a new color for that wall. I decided to use a dark gray background as a base layer for my work area to create contrast between the different elements and furniture that I was planning to use. For the desk, and taking into consideration the number of hours I will spend daily in front of my workstation, I decided to go for a standing desk option. I wanted a modern, reliable, and sturdy frame, so I invested in a black Uplift V2 Commercial standing desk frame. The advanced keypad gives you the ability to preset 4 custom heights and rise or lower the desk with a touch of a button. It came very well packed and the instructions were straightforward. It took me about an hour and a half to fully assemble it. For the desktop, I chose an Ikea Barkaboda countertop made of veneer walnut. I selected the 74 by 25.5 to have enough room to work. It comes pre-treated with oil, but I wanted to improve the wood protection, so I sanded it out and applied 2 coats of Danish oil in dark walnut color. And on top of it, also applied about 4 layers of water-based polyurethane in satin finish. When I started this project, I wanted to use a single monitor configuration, and that was the main reason that I got a wooden monitor stand. Eventually, I changed my mind and moved to a 2-monitor configuration, but I decided to keep it and use it as a kind of shelf. To create a visual and texture contrast and protect the wood from scratches, I use a wool felt desk bag from Grovemade. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video. If so, please consider to subscribe to the channel. And also give me a thumbs up to let me know if you like this content. You can also leave your message and your comments in the section down below. Let's continue. For my peripherals, I choose the wireless Logitech MX key with the palm rest and the MX Master 3 mouse, all in graphite finish. And as I mentioned earlier, two 27 Acer monitors mounted in a dual full articulated arm stand that can be adjusted in swivel and also in rotation. For lighting, I installed a Philips Hue light strip at the back of the desk to accent the furniture. It is fully compatible with the Alexa or Google Assistant, and you can also set as many schedules and scenes as you'd like. Finally, I added two more lights, an architect type LED desk lamp and a Himalaya pink salt lamp, just to add some color to the setup. To add in a more natural accent, I chose some succulents that I got from the Home Depot and planted to black square-shaped ceramic pots and a medium-sized corn plant at the corner. And yes, they are natural. One of the most important aspects in a home office setup, in my humble opinion, is the chair. I decided to invest in a Herman Mirra 2. Based on its modern design, several ergonomic adjustments, and the 12-year warranty period offered by the manufacturer. And I have to say, it is an outstanding, comfortable, and a very good looking chair. I'm totally happy with it. Last but not least, I added a Gorilla Grip anti-fatigue mat that I switched while using the desk in the standing mode. I feel very happy with the final result, and I have increased my productivity since I've been working in my new home office. I hope you have enjoyed. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and let me know what you like and what you don't, and help me to improve the channel and the content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.